Hello there. Okay, before I start this video, if you hear gurgling noises next to me, that's because I put my elderflower wine on yesterday and this is the warmest room in the house, so it's gurgling away next to me nicely. If you'd like me to do some homebrew videos, let me know, and I could even do a series from start to finish of how I do it. Let me know in the comments. But today what I'm going to talk about is YouTube and basically why you should be using it, and at the end of the day, why it's so powerful. Now, if you've heard me talk, if you've seen any of my videos, you'll hear me harp on about YouTube. It's a very simple reason, is that Google own it, and if you think about it, it's Google's only social media platform. And they are doing a lot more with the social media route as well. So essentially, if you've got a YouTube channel, you should set it up correctly. Because there are loads of businesses out there, they're Facebook, they're LinkedIn, they're all really good and shiny and wonderful, and then their YouTube channel sucks. Okay, now I'm going to show you some large organizations in the UK and how they are actually using YouTube and how they're not got the subscribers you would expect them to have, but they've still done it right. Okay, so let's look at HSBC first. HSBC got 40,000 subscribers with only 282 videos. Now, at the end of the day, you'd think a large organization like this would have more subscribers. They've done their channel art, they've got their links, they've got their featured video, they've done their about section. Okay, they've done the work. Okay, so Lloyds Bank the same, done the channel art, they've got their link, they've only got the one link, there's nothing wrong with that. At the end of the day, they've done their about section as well. Okay, so they've put focus on it, but they've only got 16,000 subscribers. Sainsbury's, stepping away from banks, 127,000 subscribers. You'd expect a lot more from Sainsbury's, but they've done the channel art. I would say that they need to actually do the channel art better, but they have done the channel art and they've done their social links there. They've got their about section and they've got their featured video. Okay, this is our Video Creators Club. Now, the only thing I haven't done, which I'm going to do today, is the featured video. Now, there are two types of featured video. There is the first time visitor featured video, and then there is the subscriber featured video. So basically, you can really engage with people. But as I say, when you're setting up your YouTube channel, set it up correctly. And at the end of the day, if you're having difficulty, then we've got a course on how to set up a YouTube channel properly. And it's one of those things that once you've done it once. And it can also save you loads of time going forward, because you can actually set default uploads. Okay, in fact, I'll do a video on that next week. Okay, but essentially what you can do is you can set up the default uploads, and then basically most of the work is done for you. Okay, so yeah, so if you're interested in finding out more about using video, then feel free to get in touch. We have the course for setting up a YouTube channel, but at the end of the day, we also have our Video Creators Club, and where you can get ongoing support, a library of how to use video, creators meeting, and access to our courses. So feel free to get in touch. Now, I like to finish my jokes with a dad joke. So basically, when I was a kid, my dad got fired from his job as a road worker for theft. Okay, now, I didn't believe him. I didn't believe he could do such a thing. Yeah, but when I got home, all the signs were there. Okay, I shouldn't laugh. But yes, so let me know what kind of videos you'd like as well. If you want me to make some videos on things that you don't know about video, and I'll put them together and I'll put them out there. All right, but for now, cheers then. Bye bye.